Fidgets of the week. Queasy Squeezy Juka Pop. Halloween Magnetic Snaps 3D Fidgets. New fidget bracelet coming soon next week. Worry Stone Fidge. Zombie Pickle Flexi Fidgets. Poison Glow Mushroom Flexi Fidgets. It glows, ooh. Ghost Shifts Picks Flexi Fidgets. Teeny Neato Halloween Bundle. It's on the verge of popping. I will be very sad when that happens. Pumpkin Glow Teeny Neato. Look at that glow. Clickers I brought from Spooky Market. Glow in the Dark Infinity Loop, Combeads Company. So pretty in the dark. Halloween Cupcake Clickers, Dan's Fidget Foundry. Which one was your favorite? Let me know.